Anthuriums. Anthuria. What's the plural of anthurium? Kasi di ba bacterium is bacteria, so anthurium is anthuria? Tama ba? I'm not sure. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the PlanTito Earl channel where we talk anything and everything about plants. And syempre, I'm your PlanTito Earl. We are going to do an unboxing video of my most recent online plant shopping haul kasi I went a little crazy. Please don't judge me. I'm not proud of it, but I'm not ashamed of it naman kasi online plant shopping has been one of my greatest guilty pleasures, kumbaga. We're going to unbox 7. Yes, I was able to buy 7 plants in just 2 days. And then all of these, I bought them from either Facebook or Instagram. Facebook Marketplace or Instagram shops. But before I do, speaking of Instagram, please don't forget to follow me on my social media pages. Like my Instagram page. I'm also on FB. And if you like this video, please do hit the like button and hit the bell for notifications if you want to be notified on my next videos. I do videos every week. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have questions or comments, please feel free to use the comment section below. So yeah, let's start with the plants that I was able to buy from Instagram. Kasi itong mga to, they were more straightforward eh. So let's start with unboxing this guy. This first one here, right up in front. This one is from Aeroid Hub Manila. They're an online store in Instagram. I linked them down below. They have such a cute packaging. Although, nirequest ko to sa kanila so that I will be able to feature their brand then as much as possible. I mean, at least somehow it's my way of helping out local businesses. Support local nga, diba? Since given these times, it's way more difficult to conduct business these times than they were before. Please do support your local shops by buying from them. That would really help them a lot. So let's start with this one. I bought from them a Philodendron Red Congo. Ooh, it's so cute. I can see it now. Okay, may mga stuffing pa siya na papel to make sure na siya, safe and secure inside. The plant is safe and secure inside. So it's here. Medyo nabasa lang siya. So meron pang stuffing na papel down there para hindi siya maalog during transport. This is their medium size. It's very small. It's just the size of my hand, but exactly what I wanted because I wanted to put this on my table right here. So let's open that up. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so perfect. It's so beautiful. Ano yan sa boses ko. Sobrang healthy looking plant. I'll just remove. Then, nilagyan niya rin ng, if you can see, may manila paper din above the soil. Tapos tinape niya so that, again, hindi kumalat yung soil during transport. So, there we go. Oh my god, look at that. It's so pretty. Can you see how glossy those leaves are? Sobrang nice, sobrang thick. This is like a really good stock that they gave me. Oh my god, this Red Congo is beautiful. Super worth it. Price, this is 450 pesos. I must say this is super worth it. Unang tingin ko pa lang parang, okay, sige, this is definitely a good buy. Alright, so that's one. That's the Red Congo. We're gonna put it down here muna. The next one that I bought, this one is from Grow Pinas. Actually, this is from their first plant drop or first plant sale. Price range pala of the plants that I bought so that you won't judge me so much. Hindi naman sila super mahal, but I must say these plants that I bought are fairly on the more uncommon side. Like, hindi naman sila yung tipong madali nyo mahanap elsewhere. This plant, this is the first time I've heard of this plant when they posted it. So I did a quick research kung ano siya, what it is, and then I immediately said na, okay, I have to get this kasi fairly mura siya. Alright. Also, nothing above 2,000 pesos here. So, yun. Para hindi nyo mga judge na super gastos ko sa plants. Then also, I requested them na put it in good packaging. This is not them. They just gave me this paper bag. So, thank you. Yan, nilagyan nila ng karton. Kasi, again, I'm from Quezon City. And this shop is from Las Piñas. So, I wanted to make sure na, the plant would be delivered safely. Kasi that's a long distance. It took about an hour to get here from my place. So, let's see this. Oh my god, I can already see the plant Ayan, sumisilip na siya. Can you see it? It's not the usual anthurium. It's the anthuriums that you're more familiar with. Yung common anthurium, like the dwarf anthurium, yun yung parang may flowers, diba? They're more well known for their flowers. And then yung mga crystallinum for their foliage. This one naman has, oh my god, sobrang ganda nung leaves niya. Medyo mas ano siya, finger-like, like the polyskytum, which I also have. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at this plant. Ugh. This is this is complicated. Anthurium pentaphyllum variety bombacifolium. Nung nabasa ko yung name niya, oh my god, this plant is going to be interesting, and indeed, hindi ako nabigo. Bombacifolium, that's the one that really had me. So look at it. Take a close look at it right there. Look at those 5. It's the finger-like anthurium, like the polyskytum, but it seems wider and bigger than the polyskytum. So I guess they're more closely related. They also have aerial roots, if you can see it down there. Oh my god. This is so orgasmic to look at. I just want to stare at it all day. This one is the bombacifolium. It name pa lang, diba? You can tell na it's so interesting na. Now this next one, this is from the Green Minded shop. If you're active in the IG plant community, I'm sure you've heard of this shop already. Selling cool, uncommon, and rare plants at super low prices. Kaya every time they have a sale, sobrang daming tao whenever they're there. On their page, ha. And the great part about it is, nagbibigay sila ng nanay special peanut butter. Actually, mas na-excite ako dito than the plant that I'm going to show you. But anyway, yung ano niya kasi, yung means of buying is through the mind game. Now, the IG or Facebook mind game is basically, paunahan kayo mag-mine para sa'yo mapunta yung plant. And in Green Minded Shop's case, super dami. I swear, nagulat ako the first time I did it about 2 plant sales ago. Umuwi akong luhaan, wala akong nakuha. This is actually the first time I'm getting something from them. So I got really excited. Sobrang bilis nung iba mag-type. I don't get it. And hindi lang siya kasi mine. Hindi mo lang i-comment yung mine. Magko-comment ka din ng codes, which sometimes are so long, so difficult to type. Like this one, yung code niya is Delima. Something about basta witty na funny ng mga codes na ang hirap i-type at i-spell. Very well secured, I must say. So at least, medyo confident ka na your plant is in good shape when you get it. Silipin muna natin. Ooh, this is actually so beautiful. I can see it na. Exciting. Can you see it na? Can you tell what it is? This is the... Sorry, super balagsa. Oh, I love the pot. Ganda. This is a Syngonium Mirnlima. I'm not sure what kind of variety or cultivar of Syngonium this is, but what makes it really unique is, di ba yung usual Syngonium, medyo malapad na triangular, minsan may ears pa siya, yung usual Syngonium leaf, but oh my god, this is so beautiful. Ngayon lang siya nag-sink in sa akin how beautiful it is. So look at that. Okay, just take it. That's the Syngonium Mirnlima. I'm not sure where the origin of this is kasi when I did a quick Google search, ang mga lumalabas sa akin mga Russian, I don't know, so hindi ko mabasa, hindi ko maintindihan. And it's so, basta ang cool thing about it is super narrow nung leaves niya, para silang mga tiny little daggers. You know, ang ganda. Pero it has the same texture and thickness of your usual Syngonium podophyllum. This one is 800 pesos. Super sulit, I must say. Yes, a little pricier than your usual Syngonium, but I must say worth it. And yun nga, kasi may pa-free peanut butter siya. Okay, the last one that I purchased from Instagram, this is actually one of my wishlist plants. And then, I wanted sana a better looking plant, but this one is actually going to be a mission plant. This one is from Pian Tamayo, something, Pia and Tamayo or Pian Tamayo, I'm not sure how to read it. Okay, super well protected. I think you can already have idea of just by looking at this, of what it is. Konti na lang. This, my dear friends, this is a Philodendron Florida Beauty. I'm so excited na, oh my god, kinilig ako. I've been looking for this plant for so long. And I must say, this is one of the more expensive plants out there. a mission plant, in my case, I mean, it's something that I want to challenge myself to make it thrive and survive even more. Kasi look, I got this actually at cost. Kasi this isn't exactly the best for an online seller. If you're going to try to sell this, good luck. No one will buy this. Kasi look, there's yellowing in the leaves. Slight yellowing. I think this has been overwatered, but I think I can make it work. Been looking for one for so long, and madalas kasi sobrang mahal nila. That's my problem with it, but I got it at cost 500 pesos. So sulit na siya. Again, this needs a little work, but I think I can make it work. So yeah, that's it for our IG purchases. We are now going to our Facebook purchases, and it's really heavy. This is the Anthurium Magnificum. This, along with the other Anthurium, are my most expensive purchases. Please don't judge me, but for the price, I think it's worth it naman. Given na ngayong pandemic, sobrang mahal ng mga halaman. I got this in the Bombacifolium. I got them from 1,800 pesos each. Yes, it's steep, but tingnan mo naman. These look so beautiful. And it comes with a flower, or with the, what do you call this, inflorescence. So worth it. Worth it at 1.8. Yes, this one is not too perfect. The one on the back lalo na medyo mas noticeable yung imperfections siya. But this one, the newest leaf right here, is looking so beautiful. It's the smallest. I'm just in love with anthuriums ngayon. After philodendrons, or actually tayo na sila ng philodendrons sa akin for being one of my most favorite plants. Simply because they're able to thrive in the conditions that I have here in my house. Kasi hindi naman super bright ng lighting ko dito, but they're able to tolerate it, which is always a good thing. Oh my god, sorry. Ang bigat niya talaga. Ang bigat ng pot. Oops, I broke the pot. Down to the second to the last plant that we have here. This is another philodendron. This is actually free. I didn't buy it. What happened here was I got there's a seller. This is the Greenhouse Effect by FC. I got to swap with her a month ago. I swapped 4 plants for her hastatum, or Philodendron hastatum, and Philodendron White Knight. However, as you can see here in my leckables, they didn't do so well. They struggled a few days after I got them. The same thing happened with dun sa friend ko, and who also swapped with her a White Knight. But then, yun nga, in my case kasi, nalasog sila during travel, so I guess the stress was too much for it. So it started to deteriorate. But now, 3 weeks, or actually 4 weeks later, a new leaf is starting to unfurl. So I'm excited about that. Then this hastatum, it had 2 leaves. The bigger leaf fell, but this new leaf came in. So it's all good naman. My friend reported na yun nga, the plants that she gave us were in terrible shape, and she was kind enough, super kind enough, to actually want to offer a replacement kasi she felt guilty. Syempre, as much as possible, you want naman the plants that you're handing out or you're giving, whether you're selling them or swapping them or giving as gifts, you want them to be in great shape as much as possible. And that's what I really appreciated about this seller. And then I saw this philodendron mother plant that she had. This is a philodendron subencisum or subencissum. I don't know how to pronounce it. She had a mother plant. She was kind enough to give me this top cut. Oh my god, look at that. It's so beautiful. New leaf coming in, a more newly unfurled leaf, and it has a lot of aerial roots in it. And it has a really nice glossy, big, wide leaf. Look at that. It's super glossy. And she was kind enough to offer the top cut. And now we're down to the last plant in our unboxing list. This one again from Facebook. Now this is actually a fairly cool plant, or kung paano ko siya na-acquire. This is from a Facebook pasabay group. Okay, this is a fairly new concept, I think, to online shopping. There are couples, si Erwin and Karen Ferrer. Thank you so much, Erwin and Karen. This is super great what you guys are doing. They're part of the Facebook, of several Facebook communities, so do check them out. They're offering pasabay services. Kumbaga, it's free. You don't have to register. Hindi sila nagpapatong as far as I know. Or if nagpapatong man sila, super konti lang. It's barely noticeable. What they do is they go to regional or provincial areas, gardens, and in this case, their most recent pasabay where I was able to, make pasabay. They went to Laguna. Ang system doon is they'll join you or they'll include you in their Facebook Messenger group. And then dun sila magpo-post ng mga plants that you can ask them to buy for you. And then paunahan nila kayo ng mine. So ang pinasabay ko was this big girl right here. You can already see it peeking. This, oh my god, it's so beautiful. This, my dear friends, is a fully established, well-rooted, and I think this is also one of the more uncommon finds that I got. This is a Philodendron Choco Empress. I got this for 1,200 pesos. Super worth it, I must say. It looks like a cultivar between a black cardinal or a red Congo and then the serratum. Because you can see the edges. Medyo may pagka-serratum siya. And the colors. Oh my god. It's actually also the first time that I've heard of this variety or cultivar of Philodendron. Oh my god. Okay, this plant haul was actually, I must say, a success. I got 7 new plants. And they're fairly uncommon to, I guess you could say some of them are rare. Especially for this bombacifolium. This is the first time I've heard of this plant. And wow, this is definitely a good plant haul. So I'm very excited to take care of them. These are all, by the way, aeroids. I have 3 philodendron. I have 4 philodendron. Philodendra? What's the plural of philodendron? Philodendrons? First time ko aalagaan itong mga to. I want to say they're the same naman sa pag-aalaga with other syngoniums or philodendrons or anthuriums. Anthuria. What's the plural of anthurium? Kasi diba bacterium is bacteria, so anthurium is anthuria? Tama ba? I'm not sure. Please correct me. Anyway, doesn't matter. So, again, thank you so much for joining me. It's been great. I'm super excited na saan ko ilalagay itong mga to because I barely have enough space in this place, but we'll make it work. So, yeah, thank you so much, guys. Tune in again next week for my next video and have a great day. Bye-bye.